Alright, I'm going to try and give a quick run through of the residential controller in JavaScript and Python. So here we have the JavaScript file. So we've got the column that will be instantiated with the however many amount of floors and elevators based off the scenario. So it'll be 10 floors, 2 elevators. You've got the elevator class down here. With all of its information. It's got the door instantiated. It's going to have the lists. And what's going to happen is a user is going to press the button, which is going to request an elevator. And that's going to be taking in the parameter of the floor and then the direction it wants to go. And so first an elevator is going to be checked based off of multiple different scenarios, trying to account for everything, where an elevator already is, if it's idle or not, etc. And then those elevators are going to be checked between each other. In this case, it's just 2 elevators being checked. And then the best one is going to be checked based off of the parameters set. And it's going to be set to the floor using the move method. So the elevator will move to the floor requested, and all of that is sorted in a method here. And that's essentially, in a nutshell, how this works. I'm probably skipping over a few details here, but it's essentially the same way for the Python controller. Before I go to the Python controller, I'll touch back one last little time. This is where all the call buttons are created. So there's 10 floors, but there's only 18 buttons because you have 2 on each floor with the exception of the last floor and the first floor, because you can't go down on the first floor if there's no basement. You can't go up on the top floor. So onto the Python. It's the same exact thing. We've got the column here. This one may look a little cleaner. The 2 simple little if statements for making the 18 call buttons, right? The elevator is being created, requesting the elevator. It's all essentially just the JavaScript copied into Python. The elevator is being determined which one is going to be sent. Elevator is going to be checked. It's going to be scored, and then it'll move with the move function method. And that's it. That's all there really is to it.